Hey everyone, it's Enzo here again. Today we're going to be reviewing tutorial number 2, which is the design platform. This goes into, I'll go into a quick way of just explaining how all the features work, okay? So if you can go into your dashboard, okay, click Design Collection over here, okay? This will now direct you over to our design dashboard, the platform creator, okay? Now, what's cool about this is that you'll see here there's a type, and then it shows here your design, your days left. So tops, goes into the different clothes here, the hoodies, the joggers, okay, and then it goes into bags, and so on, okay. So let's go ahead and try out a shirt, okay. Here you'll see that you can flip between the front and back, okay, which is really cool. So if you want to design the front, save it, then design the back and save it, okay. We can also add the text here, okay? So what I like about this is that you can get in here and you can just kind of like, pretty self-explanatory, type, the word wow maybe, okay? And then we can select it, then we click fill, and then we can select a color either from the selector or predefined color. Let's just say here we can change the font size, okay? If the word goes over, we're just going to assume, from our designers are going to assume that you want it wrapped around the shirt, okay, so don't worry about it. If you want it to end here, then you're going to have to just have it end there, okay. Also, there's character spacing between the words. Line height gives you a height change, okay. All right, so then here, this is also going to allow you to change the height of also the font change, okay. And here you can make it bold. Let's see, okay. And here you notice here there's a box here where you can change the you can also type in the words here, okay. If there's a font in here that that you probably want, just let us know and we can add it, okay. I like to go on sites like thefont.com and squirrelfont.com, and that's where you can get some some other fonts in there. Just let us know. Just set up a trouble ticket and let us know what you want. Here, and there's elements, okay. This gives you like the different products here that you can select, the different shapes. So let's just say you want like a stamp of like a gray box or something. Go to here to fill, and you can play around with the different colors too, shapes, okay. Now if you want to remove something, anything, click on it and you hit clear, okay. I'm sorry, hit remove. Clear just clears the whole sheet, okay. I just say you want to change the angle also. You can play around with the sizes here, okay. All right, pretty simple. Like I said, when playing around with these tools, you just go ahead and just do what you got to do. Play it. You're not going to hurt it. I always advise people just to spend a good hour here getting comfortable with everything. That's the best way to learn. That's the way I've learned. Just get in there and start playing with things, okay. Upload here, you'll see that there's it's a library of logos. You can upload anything you want on here. So if you click that, now if we didn't already upload your PNG for you, you can do it yourself. Go in here, you select your PNG, whatever we designed for you, and boom, it uploads it. Now you'll notice here, see how I put it in here? A PNG just makes it transparent with no background, okay? If this was a JPEG, there would be a background, which is not good. Okay? You want it to be transparent, okay? You hit save logo. Now this takes you back into your dashboard, okay? And that's that's pretty much about it. So when you get it back, let's just hit save here. So we're going to save this image, okay? So boom, saved it. So now we go into our dashboard, and that's going to go into approval. So it shows here you got one design submitted, okay? Now we go into my account, you'll see all your designs there, okay? But we've only designed one, so there you go. Put your order number, the date, the email, okay? Now, if you're happy with it, once this thing gets approved, once this thing turned green, then you can go ahead and submit it to the eShop for approval, okay? We do this because, we want to make sure that you're happy with it, okay? Now, if you want to do updates to it, then you're going to have to redesign it, okay? So what I suggest is for everybody, after you submit something, just go back in there and make sure it shows that it's approved, because you're going to have to then submit for eShop approval, which that then takes it into your website, okay? We migrated it to there. Upload design here is basically where you can create your own close. Okay, do it at your own. Maybe if you got Photoshop, and you would just say, you know what, I don't want to use your design creator. I'm going to just use Photoshop. No problem. Upload your designs through here. Okay, so you just drag your your product in here, copy it from Design Collection. Just do a copy, save image as, and then take it into Photoshop. Do what you got to do, and then drop it in here. Okay. There are some people who are avid Photoshop Illustrator users that like that. Okay. Then my library is basically just your logo center. Okay. You can download your logos here. So if you ever want to download your PNG, no problem. You can download it from here. Okay. Save it. Okay. Downloads a PNG. All right. So that's about it. Any specific questions you have, just send us a request on Get Help under support ticket, and we can help you out. Okay. Look for our other tutorials on more help on some of the other features. Okay. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.